people are for a living, and if you know where we are, the Fit Fly head office in Lebanon. Everything is set for Dubai and Kenya trip. We are ready to roll. So what are you guys waiting for? If you're not on this trip, I don't know where you are. So please join this trip. We are moving. December is here. Your Christmas must be the best, and the only way you can enjoy the best of the Christmas is to join this trip. Kenya and Dubai trip. Dr. Smile will be on this trip, Kenny Black will be there, MC Lively, Big Bolaji, Babatu, Michi, and William. And what else do you guys want? So tell your family, tell everybody you have to join this trip. You're going to be buying a lot of fun, a lot of comedy, a lot of fun, a lot of praise. So ladies and gentlemen, rush down to any of the Fit Fly office to be collected. Be Fit Fly. Let's go. Please go and find your. Let's go.
I want